Hi, welcome back to the course. I hope you have been able to answer the homework question. The question was, which state was the most profitable? And instead of taking you through the traditional way of answering this question, I wanted to introduce conditional formatting and answer this question in the process. So let's take a look at this map, and we can see that the bubbles indicate where we have the most spin. Of course, I can simply bring profit and replace spin and find the answer by viewing the biggest bubble. But sometimes you want to have a conditional formatting which changes the color to indicate volume or a rule set. Before we answer this question, so if we highlight the map and we go over to our data colors, we can see there is 3 small dots here. You can look at the ellipsis, click it, and you can see there is a function symbol with conditional formatting. Click that, and then you have this option. It says data colors, and we want to format by a color scale based on what we're looking for is to see the profit based on these colors. So instead of state, I can click that caret and move down to profit. And you can see that we have a minimum value and a maximum value. The default formatting is set at 0. The minimum is red and the highest value is green. So if we initiate that, we should see changes in colors of our profit. So we can see the intensity of the colors here, and of course that's something we can format. We can see that the whole region here is really less profitable. We can see a dark green here. We can see unprofitable here, and we can see very profitable there, just indicated by the colors. Now I'm highlighting the tooltip, but let's bring in profit to our tooltip. So I simply go to the fields pane, click fields, select profit, drag it into tooltips to help answer our question. So we can see that the profit was $1,048.44 for California, which is green, but our greenest value is Oregon. Our profit is $1,516.88, which is our highest profit. We can also apply conditional formatting to other visuals in the same manner. Of course, we can see profit by quarter here, and we can see anything that falls under 0 is unprofitable. So we simply highlight that visual, go back over to our format pane, clicking the paintbrush, go to data colors, find the ellipsis by moving over to the right, clicking conditional formatting. What do we want to format by? Not the hierarchy. We want to format by profit. Now you can see this option here that says diverging. Diverging does exactly what it does. It gives us a middle value. So let's use that for our profit on this visual. And we can see that it's a bit too colorful and not that distinctive. To change that, we go back by clicking the ellipsis, click conditional formatting, take off this, and I'm going to make a deeper red and a lighter green. Now we can see that our profit is very dark here, dark red, which indicates that it's very negative. Of course, you can go and optimize those colors. I'm going to go back because I actually like a lighter red. Remember that you can also change your themes, so now it's clear. It matches this value. In addition, we can look at our tables and add a type of formatting. Highlight your table, move over to your Format tab, and then you can see in the table they have the conditional formatting for you as an option. Click the caret and you have your options. We can use a bar graph, font colors, data bars, or icons. Let's look at profit instead of max total. So you can change the profit. We can change the background colors. We can change the font color. And we can change the data bars and even icons. For this example, I'm going to leave it as icons. Remember that we are advancing towards creating a very stunning visual that's interactive and is going to provide business intelligence. If you haven't gotten all 4 of these visuals yet, try to recreate them, and we're going to keep moving until we have a complete report. See you in the next video.